Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a tool haul video of just a few items that I picked up and then one item that was sent to me. This is just going to be kind of an unboxing slash first look. One of the items I've had for a little while now and used when renovating the house a little bit. But other than that, all the items are brand new. And I'm just going to show you a first look. Let me know what you guys think. I'll give you the part numbers and prices and everything. And I really hope you guys enjoy. There are also a couple items in here that I will be doing separate reviews on, so more in depth and a little bit more information, showing it in use. So stay tuned for that, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Starting off, I'm going to redo this. I just recorded all this and it was 14 minutes long, so let's not make it that long. This was the one item that was sent to me, another product from Tekton. They've sent me a battery tester before, as well as a little code reader, and they seem like really good products for the price. This is going to run around $40. This is another battery tester, but this is the BT Master, and it's actually Bluetooth, so there's no screen involved with this. You download the free app, and all the information goes straight from this device to your phone via Bluetooth. So it's got battery voltage monitoring, battery test, cranking test, and charging test. And I will have a separate video on this. I'll do a more in-depth review, so I'm not going to be providing a lot of information here right now. But this is kind of what the app looks like. It's actually a really nice app, and it's a really simple device. So everything seems, of good quality. I mean, it's just plastic, so I wouldn't want to drop this. Maybe a little rubber sleeve around here would be nice. Maybe some bigger boots around the bases of the wire going into the clamps and the module here. But other than that, the clamps are good quality. The wire's good diameter. It doesn't need to be any thicker or anything like that, but little boots would make it a little bit more longer lasting, from bending and twisting and stuff. So I'll do a review on that. But next up is a couple items from Tekton, and you guys might have seen this or seen similar things like this. This is a bit ratchet, and you just throw whatever bits you want in here, and this is for removing screws from dashes and stuff. Now the downside to these is being this small, most of them don't have a high tooth count, so there's quite a bit of back drag on it. So when you get a screw so loose but you can't get your hand in there or whatever, you can't get the screw out. And so from Tekton, I picked up this little set. It was $6. Oh, by the way, the battery tester is going to run around $40. This is $6, part number 26391. It's a 4-piece mini screwdriver set, and it's going to include 1/4 inch, 3/16, and 1 and 2 Phillips head. So it comes in this little tray. I thought it was going to be a little bit more durable, but it's not. It's still set in my drawer. I'm not going to use these a whole lot, so I doubt this is going to, get destroyed or anything. But they're really small screwdrivers, basically just a bit inside of this little screwdriver handle. They got like a little dish feature in here, so you can put your finger in it and spin it real easy. Now, obviously, it can't be as small or shallow as this, but it's still really small. You can't make a screwdriver much smaller than that. So I figured when this doesn't work, a majority of the time these probably will. So for $6, not spending big bucks, but maybe a tool that'll be handy in the future. Next up, another item from Tekton is actually part number 65731. This was under $10 as well. I can't remember exactly, but it's a scratch all made in the USA, just like their USA made screwdrivers. So you're going to see the same tri-lobe handle, which I really enjoy. This is good for scratching, scribing, even using as a light punch. Now there's no striking cap on this, but if you need to make a starter hole for a drill bit or something, a light tap won't hurt this handle. It's pretty tough. And it's sharp enough to leave a little dent in some metal for you. So for under $10, I wasn't going to pass this up either. Nice little product made in the USA from Tekton. Then next up is a item from Ernst. You guys know I have the Ernst socket bosses for all my sockets, and that is mentioned to me from a subscriber of mine, the Ernst Bit Boss. This is also going to run $20. It's a nice little tray, holds 2 rails, and it's got one side that holds all your bits, up to 90 bits, and then 18 hex shank holders over here. And what's nice is, just like the socket boss, the tray, you just simply press that button, slide the rail out, and if you wanted, let's say you have more bits of this style, instead of having half and half, you could buy more of these, and you can actually slide them on here. They're just normal rails. Now I will say the one thing about these, I'm going to take a file to these corners because these things are just ridiculously sharp. But what's really nice, you slide it in, boom, you're good. And like I have displayed here, a couple of hex shank adapters, and I have a lot of them in my drawer. So I want to get rid of some of these because the Ernst socket boss holds all of this and is smaller, and I can either set this on my power tool rack or inside my drawer, my short drawer, and it still fits just fine. Now it can hold all of these style bits up in here and all your shorter bits and stuff in here, and it's still shallow enough to fit a small drawer. Other than that, like I said, it's $20, part number 5710, 90 bits, and it's got the push lock. Here's kind of what it looks like with everything loaded up in it. So I'll do a separate video on the Ernst Bit Boss, so stay tuned for that. So now I have a couple of Milwaukee products that I purchased, and you can get these for $20 to $25. I picked up this one. I've actually had for about a month, and I used for a lot of renovation in the house. This is the Milwaukee 48894631. It's a 23-piece titanium drill bit set, and has served me very well. I'm extremely happy with it. The cases are really nice. They even sell adapters to like clip onto your pants, or a magnet that screws into here, and you can, you know, toss it to the side of your box or whatever. Nice little handle, really nice hard case. And the thing that I like about the Milwaukee little cases like this is they stand up. Really easy to go and grab whatever you need, and then when you're done, you just lay it down and you're good to go. Another thing, or another reason I picked this up, is because they're the hex shank bit adapters, so I can actually just throw this in my drill or my bit driver or my impact driver, and just, you know, it's quick and easy. So that's why I picked these up, and they've held their edge. I've had these for like a month, and the ones I did use, I've used the crap out of, and they've done very well. Drilled holes like butter. So I really like this, especially for $20 in store roughly, and $25 online. Then the last item up is another one, Milwaukee 48324006, and it's a 40-piece impact drill bit set, or drill and driver set. So it's going to include 3 of the hex shanks down here, a little bit driver, a couple socket adapters for your impact driver, some smaller Phillips or shorter Phillips, 1, 2. Then you're going to have a couple or 3 magnetic nut drivers, some longer Phillips head, which is going to be really good for my impact driver. And then you got a couple more Phillips here, square, and Torx, and a flathead. Then they also include 2 more rails up here, but I'm guessing they couldn't adapt this with the drill bits in here. And it's going to just include some more bits. You got some more square, Torx, flathead, and Allen. So you can kind of customize this however you want. Really nice. And both of these kits are a shockwave impact duty, so it is okay to use in your impact driver. So that's really nice, and that's my haul. So I cut this down to about 10 minutes. So I tried to do my best. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of my tool haul, and I'll see you guys next time.